The interactive calendar in your UI design simplifies scheduling by allowing users to select dates effortlessly, reducing input errors and enhancing the overall user experience. Using Mockflow's prototyping feature, we are going to simulate an interactive calendar action in under 2 minutes. We have designed an analytical dashboard with a dark mode theme with Mockflow Wireframe Pro Editor. Next, we are going to add a date picker input field component specifically designed for calendar functionality, which will serve as an input field. This will allow users to enter input seamlessly. We'll duplicate the calendar input field to demonstrate a variation. For example, we'll set one input field to December 17, 2024 to highlight the differences between the two inputs. Next, we'll drag and drop the calendar component into the design, fully customizable to align with your theme. We'll also add a circle component to highlight the selected date within the calendar, to highlight user interaction. The added circle can be customized to emphasize the selected date. As noted with the duplicated input field, we'll highlight December 17, 2024 as the selected date to ensure clear differentiation between the inputs. The first interaction involves selecting the calendar input field. We'll set the interaction type to mouse click and the action to show component. This will trigger the calendar component to appear when clicked. After that, we are going to create an interaction for selecting a date within the calendar. When a date is highlighted, we'll set the action to mouse click and replace component. This will replace the default date with the duplicated input date field. To hide the calendar upon date selection, we'll select Hide Component for the calendar group. The calendar will be hidden, and the selected date will be updated in the input field. To ensure smooth visual transitions, we'll apply effects to the interactions. For showing the calendar, we'll use a roll-in down effect. For date selection, a fade-out effect will smoothly replace the default date and hide the calendar. These effects will enhance the user experience, making the interactions more visually appealing. Using Mockflow's Layers feature, we'll hide the calendar component and the duplicated input field, ensuring they remain hidden until triggered. In view mode, you can test the interaction live. Clicking on the date input will display the calendar, selecting a date will hide the calendar, and the chosen date will be updated in the input field. This process demonstrates how easily you can simulate a calendar date picker interaction in Wireframes with Mockflow. With Mockflow's prototyping features, you're ready to take your wireframes to the next level. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.